let us spill this already spilled news and get into some entertainment news. Guys, I love Mandisi because I follow him on TikTok a lot and all the TikTok content that he provides. But now, Ukai, according to Musa Kaula, wrote, Mandisi Tingana revealed that gospel singer Betusile Mgcina is the one who took his virginity. That is not the problem. Now, we know ukuthi vele uMandisi ukuthi muhle, he's charming and all that, right? Now, the problem is the man of God holding the Bible, doing the very thing that the Bible he's holding is in contrary of, and doing it in the closet while he is said to be married. So someone comments down below, right, and says, Merry Christmas from mine to yours. And they're asking, guys, are you sure? Are you guys sure that this man is married with kids? Because yesterday I went on Mandisi's Facebook and he's posted him before. So guys, like, is it public knowledge, or does the wife understand, or they're in an open marriage? What is happening? Because this was written on Facebook, because Umandisi Singana wrote on Facebook, me versus the guy who took my virginity, and he posted it like that, and Ukai Watula, and then an account that is verified that seemed to be Yaga Putisile Mgcinga said till death, right? And then Umandisi responded ati abayiqondi abayiqondi mfundisi wena, man of God, nqegu, or a gospel singer of God. Hi, Andy Chongo next. When I like, share and subscribe.